I wanted to be close to the music, and it was really important part of my life to be around sounds. Anyway, if it's like sounds from music or just listening to the sounds of the world that is like around me. Późno collective that we created with my friends. It's like a dream. It's not only listening to music but also to see things like visuals and to smell smells with it, to just make it more complex. I like to spend my time being close to the nature, as close as I can be in the city, because it's not so easy. Through my life, I had struggled with some pain, like connected to this period stuff, and it was hard to understand for me as a young girl or a young woman that I was always asking, why do I have to suffer so much because of my gender? It's kind of funny because now I am thinking something completely different. I started to enjoy and really started to appreciate the fact that as a woman, I am living with this cycle, and the cycle I can make a lot of beautiful things in my life. My apartment, it's mostly about this concept of to make it integral, like to make this full experience of feeling that it's really like the things that I have in my mind, in my soul, I can feel that it's the same as like a representation of these surroundings.